How to catch lion. But before that, this month is a special month for Malaysia. Let's go to here. Thank you for listening to a national anthem. Malaysia is comprised of 13 states and federals, and that's why there are 14 stripes. And there's also 14 points here, and it represents unity. And the moon represents the national religion, Islam. And what else we have? The blue canton symbolizes the unity of the Malaysian people. So the yellow of the star and crescent is the royal colors of the Malay rulers. Whoa, cool. Yeah, unity in this. That is what it means. Thank you. Let's come back to catch the lion. What does it mean catch the lion? So imagine that this is the field. So where is the lion located? How can you tell? Well, it's on column D and 3. Now column D can be also talk about column number 4. So if we take a look at this here, now where is lion located? It's at column 11, right? So that is exactly what we want to talk about. Now, here we use the find function uh, to find the word lion in the given range D4 to O4. So if we compare to here, it's D4 to O4. So you basically ask Excel, go to this range D4 to O4 to find the word lion. Now, if you can find it, uh, what you do is that return the cell, okay, return the cell, and then that's it. Get set it to a range object. Okay, so when I run this code here, when I run this code where it's lion, so look at that here. Okay, you see that this is the lion. Okay, so let's get back to here, and I'll just press F8 key. Now, did you find that cell? Yes, it does cell, right? If it's not empty, If you can find that cell that contains the lion, then it will able to extract the column number, which is 11, which is right here, 11. And that is how you catch the lion. Where is the lion? And to play an MP3 song in Excel, you can use this activable dot follow hyperlink followed by the address, and that's all. Apply assign it to a button, then that's will get it done. And thanks for watching this video. Together we excel before 50. Unity. Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!